Good morning, dear students. Let's start area related to circles. Students, today we start third exercise of 12th chapter, and in this exercise we will find the shaded region. Okay. So students, let's start by doing questions. Question number 1. Find the area of the shaded region in the given figure if PQ is 24 centimeter, PR is 7 centimeter and O is the center of the circle. Students, here we have a circle with center O. QR is a diameter and PQ is a chord and also PR is another chord, and whose dimensions are given in this statement. We have to find the area of the shaded region. Students, you can observe here that the shaded region is lying within the semicircle. Okay, if we deduct this right angle triangle from the semicircle, then we get the shaded region. So by using this working rule, we continue. Area of shaded region is equals to area of semicircle minus area of triangle PQR. Since QR is a diameter, it forms a semicircle. We know that angle in semicircle is right angle, hence angle RPQ is 90 degree. Hence this triangle is 90 degree because angle in semicircle always becomes a right angle. So here, by using the Pythagoras theorem, we can find the length of the diameter. Okay, so square of QR, yes, this one is equals to square of PQ plus square of PR. Here QR is the hypotenuse. So students, by using the given values, square of 24 is 576, square of 7 is 49. On adding we get 625. So we get QR is equals to 25. In this way we get the length of diameter. Now students, we need to find the area of shaded region. For that, we first find area of right angle triangle and then area of semicircle. So for that, area of circle is pi r square. So area of semicircle must be 1 over 2 area of circle. So by using the value of radius, on simplifying this we get the 6875 over 28 square centimeter. Now area of triangle PQR is, triangle PQR is a right angle triangle with base PQ and height PR. So area of triangle PQR will be 1 over 2 base into height, and its base is 24 and height is 7. So on calculating this we get 84 square centimeter. Now area of shaded region will be area of semicircle minus area of triangle PQR. अब स्टूडेंट्स हमें क्या करना है, एरिया ऑफ सेमीसर्कल से हमें सब्ट्रैक्ट करना है एरिया ऑफ ट्रायंगल PQR. So in this way, by using the values which we have earlier find, 6875 over 28 minus 84. Now by taking the LCM and on subtracting this we get 4523 over 28. This is the area of shaded region in square centimeter. Now we have next question. This is also simple question. From diagram you can observe here that we have two circles that are concentric, okay, with different radius. We need to calculate the shaded region. So first read the statement. Find the area of the shaded region in figure if radii of the two concentric circles with center O are 7 and 14 respectively, and angle AOC is given 40 degree. Students, first AOC, this region is the sector of the circle, and here BOD is the region of area of sector of smaller circle. If we find the area of sector and after that by finding the area of sector of two circles, then after subtracting both we get the required result. So let's start. Area of shaded region is equals to area of sector AOC minus area of sector BOD. So area of sector BOD formula is theta over 360 pi r square. Here value of radius is 7. So by calculating this we get 154 over 9 square centimeter. Area of sector AOC, that is area of bigger circle sector, we have same formula but radius is different. Here radius is 14. So square of 14 we can write 14 into 14. 7 into 2 will cancel out, and in this way we get 616 over 9 square centimeter. So area of shaded region is equals to area of sector AOC minus area of sector BOD. Now taking the LCM we get 154 over 3 square centimeter after simplifying. So students, this is your required result. Next question we have question number 3rd. Find the area of the shaded region in given figure if ABCD is a square of side 14 centimeter and APD, BPC are semicircles. Students, we need to find again the shaded region. For that, this is very simple question. You have to just simple find the area of square, that is square of side, and after that find the area of semicircle, and here semicircle is 2 times, so by adding this complete a circles. And now after that you have to just simple subtract this area of circle from the area of square. In that way you will find the shaded region. Now students, let's start the solution. Area of shaded region is equals to area of square ABCD minus area of semicircle APD and BPC. And formula of area of square is square of side, that is 14 into 14. Now area of semicircle is diameter is 14 centimeter, thus radius is diameter over 2, that is 7 centimeter. Area of semicircle APD will be 1 over 2 pi r square. Pi is 22 over 7 and radius is 7. So in this way we get the answer 77 square centimeter. Similarly, we will find the area of semicircle BPC. Now, area of shaded region, area of square minus area of semicircle APB minus area of semicircle BPC. By solving this, we get 42 square centimeter answer. So hence area of shaded region will be 42 square centimeter. Now students, I am sharing you the next question. This is also similar question. You have here a circle and a triangle. Find the area of the shaded region in figure where a circular arc of radius 6 cm has been drawn with vertex O of an equilateral triangle OAB of side 12 cm as a center. So students, here we have the equilateral triangle. You need to just calculate this green shaded region. For that, area of circle plus area of equilateral triangle with the side 12 centimeter minus area of sector ODE. Students, in this question we need to calculate the blue region. So for that, first we find the area of complete circle and by adding the area of equilateral and after subtracting the area of sector. In this way, area of circle will be pi r square by using the formula of pi r square. Radius is given 6 centimeter. Now in this way we get the area of circle. Next we get the area of equilateral triangle. Its formula is root 3 over 4 square of side. Using the side 12 centimeter, we get root 3 over 4 multiply with 12 into 12. In this way we get 36 under root 3 square centimeter. Now area of sector ODE. Here ODE becomes this is the shape of a sector. So radius is 6 centimeter given, angle is given 60 degree because this is the equilateral triangle. So area of sector OCD will be theta over 360 pi r square. Now putting the values, we get the area of sector, and after that student, this is very simple. You have to just put the value which we have earlier find in this. In this way we get the area of shaded region. So students, Hopefully all of you get understand. So if you like my video then please like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching the complete video.